In southern Utah County, along an old travel route, a small town carries a quaint museum. Santaquin takes its name from the son of a Native American chieftain, remembered for his friendship during a time of first encounters. In 1903, this building was built as a schoolhouse, a place where generations learned, worked, and grew. It served as a community school until the 1980s. Today, it stands as the Chieftain Museum, a nod to the father for whom Santaquin takes its name, preserving the everyday history of the people who lived here. Not famous names, not grand monuments, but the tools, rooms, and routines that quietly shaped a community. The Santaquin City Library down the street from the same era has been recently restored. History isn't only found in capitals or battlefields. Sometimes it survives simply because someone chose to remember.